हमें त्रिपुरा लेन चाहिए, हमारे अलग राज्य चाहिए, त्रिपुरा में अलग राज्य चाहिए। हमारे सरकार हमारे आवाज सुनिए, बंद करना चाहिए, त्रिपुरा में CAB बंद करना चाहिए।
Because we know if the CAB is implemented, if CAB is implemented in our state, our native people or indigenous people will be reduced in micro-ethnic minority. This is what our afraid is a threat of society. As you know, Tripura is the bordering state of Bangladesh. There are lakhs of people, legal immigrants, came up to Tripura. Now they are acquiring citizenship, and now the government of India trying to give permanent citizenship in India to the refugees, especially from Bangladesh. Therefore, our people cannot accept, and especially our party, IPFT, we vehemently oppose this bill. This CAB should be step out, especially from the state of Tripura. Second demand, we have a NRC. NRC should be implemented in Tripura, because if NRC is not implemented, we cannot identify who is the refugee, who is the foreigner from our state. Therefore, NRC is very important to protect our land, to protect our identity. Therefore, we are demanding to implement